We are live. I need to show you something. There's an application, not an application, but a portable application. You don't need to install it. It's not required to be installed on the computer for it to work. It just works out of the box. It's called Geek Uninstaller. Basically, for example, if I want to uninstall a big game from the control panel, then I would have to go into the percent app data percent to be able to remove all the junk. Then I need to remove all the junk by myself. This portable exe file claims that it can I need to remove this. This portable exe file claims that it can do the work for me. Let's see if I have any unnecessary applications. Can delete. Mm, server. I'm just gonna let that because I'm scared. And then file, and then view. Microsoft apps. I don't need Cortana, but I'm not gonna do anything to it. Can I uninstall this? That help. Okay, I'm gonna install it. Close. See, it removed all of the things. Oh, it's 195 megabytes. Xbox Game Ball. Did I not settings? Let's just go to settings and then the apps. I thought I removed. Yes, I removed, but it's a fake remove. Okay, I'm gonna delete it. There's tools. See, it's removed from the registry. And then Xbox Game Ball. Let me try this. Okay, it launches my. And then okay. So if I do, can I can I install Xbox Game Ball? Will it person is okay? You can Windows settings. Okay, so you can uninstall it. Stop and close. It's a really good application then. If I can do all of this. Microsoft Pay. Can I uninstall Microsoft Pay? Microsoft Pay. With a mobile. But I don't need that. Uh, I don't need that. So I'm just gonna install it. You should do a restore point before you do that, but I'm not doing it. So I'm taking a lot of precautions before I uninstall. Like I'm not uninstalling unnecessary things. Video editor. I don't do any video editing. I'm gonna install that. So close. Should restart my computer. Can you uninstall Xbox games each window? You uninstall Xbox game each window. Okay. Oh my god. I need to uninstall that. And it's 8 kilobytes. I mean, it doesn't do much, but still junk on my computer. Identity provider. Identity provider. Don't type. Can I install? I think. Oh, no, I'm not gonna uninstall that because the Xbox game thing, the networking thing, might crash the system. Yeah, so we have this. This I wanted to show you guys. Can I just install that? Okay, control. I'm gonna extract here. Extract to. I'm just gonna extract it. Wait a second. Extract. So we have this, then we can close this. Geek.exe will be my new uninstaller for everything now. Okay, I've installed another cursor. Wait a second. So you're telling me that uh, this one does not have an install.ini, like this one has, and okay, there's all of this. Install.inf, not ini, inf. It installed it when you when you click on that, when you double click on that, and you install the cursors, it will appear here. Like so, it will appear here. This one does not have one. Okay. Nevertheless, I can move this file here. I'm gonna extract it with 7-zip. Extract files here so that we can see all of that is available. Then we can add them. Okay, I'm gonna try to add them. Can I delete this? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna remove that. So those are main.cpl. Click on pointers. Click on browse. Click on deck on this PC. Go where you have API here. Okay, open here. Help select. Is there a help select? A help select here. Working in background here. Oh, it's actually the same thing as Windows, but it's the black version of it. Okay, so open. Oh, there's nothing to open. The text. Change the text. No, he did not. But I'm gonna do one thing with it. Okay, link. First of all, I need to change the link. Okay, link. Open. The graph. Alternate select. The move. Person select. The location. Then where's the grasp? Apply for the moment. And then, so basically, oh, I can't see my thing. Can't see the. Oh god, it's not a good cursor because I can't see my cursor. I mean, I can see it, but difficult to point out. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use this one, the macros cursor one. Life is good. Life is good. Need that. Just for today, I'm gonna use the original, like system default. I just want to use that today. So we have another application that I need to always remember to install in quotation. So I'm gonna start my work on the stack. So basically I have to create a stack. I have the template here. And I'm just gonna use this template. I'm gonna make a template. I'm gonna make the work. I'm gonna do the work. So wait a second. Docs. Stats. Stats. Don't need stats. Chat. there, chat. Okay, live. Okay, so this is gonna stay here. Can I put this here? No, you can't. Why? I would really love if you could put that. Okay, if I press Windows M and I just bring this up, okay, it brings it with together with. Okay, so I can open the chat. Can I chat on? So I'm just gonna place it right over here, just like that. Try to. Okay, I can't. Wait, okay, this seems good, I think. So when I minimize it and I just open it, it will come with the light. I'm gonna test here. Test. I think it should work. Yeah, test works. Okay, nice. So what we need to do is we have to first of all I need to check if all my program codes are here. Where is it? I don't see it. Hmm. Wait, why do I, is it in the array.bb? Let me go down. This is the bubble sort. I'm just gonna waste my time if I do that. Hey, it's bubble sort. So it's not here, okay? It's not here. I will have to create another one, okay? I will have to create another one. And I will basically have to remake the thing. I will just basically copy it and just paste it here. So I need to create a stack with array name, create a stack, create an ADT stack, then tracker data type. I'm gonna put it in capital letters. Stack with array name flower stack with array size 5. Okay, and then I have to add the following item. Add the following items or objects or everything I want to call them. Add the following items, meaning we have to add the rows and we have to add bougainville. I don't know how to pronounce that, but there it is on the screen. You can pronounce that whatever you like. You have to delete an item. Basically, it's a LIFO structure. So let me open Paint. Wait, Paint.exe. Okay, Paint. So it's a LIFO structure. Basically, we have this. So, for example, we have all of this. Wait a second. Let me cook. Let me cook. So, okay, Control Z, and then we have to Control Z. Okay, we have this. We have this, and then this is a LIFO structure, meaning that it will start from down here. When you add items, it will start from here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Basically, if I fill this up with one, for example, if I fill all of this is filled. Oh, sorry. If all of this is filled, then this one is empty. For example, this one is empty, and all of this is filled to pointer 4 to address 4. Then what? When I delete the item, When I delete the item, it's not a queue. It's not a FIFO structure, first in, first out. It's a LIFO structure, last in, uh, first out. Meaning this at address 4, we have this data item which will go out, and we will only have 3 data items left. So basically, right here we have to add rows and bougainvillea. We have to add rows first, then bougain. I don't know. Then when we delete the item, when we delete this item, it will get removed. B will get removed, and there will only be rows for the moment. So delete. Okay, delete one item. Then we have to re-add the following item. Uh, a- so add the following items. So basically, we have to add impatient, patient, shooting star, shooting star, and then we have to display display appropriate appropriate type appropriate messages for all data process, and then we have to print slash output all of the data for all data process, for just for process. Okay, okay. So we have the code basically using markdown, and then we have the quote block. So we can basically close this now. I don't really need. No, I will need it because I'm full. So we delete one item. We deleted this item. Okay. Now we have to add impatient shooting star. So impatient goes here, and then shooting star goes here. Yeah, that's basically it. Let me try to do it. I said try. I mean, I'm gonna copy. So yes, I'm a noob. Yes. So control K, O, control K, control O, and then you have to go to this PC, local disk, computer science. Should be so I'm just gonna select that folder, open the folder, close this, control B, and then create another one called stack.vb. Stack.vb. Okay, so what happened to here? Okay, so this is nice. I have a node here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do it. I want to create a template. Stack program code for Visual Basic. I mean, of course, I'm just gonna copy this space. Everything has a. No, go to home. Wait, you know what? I'm gonna let it like that because I think it's good. No, I think it's good. So we have our example. So example one. Do I? do I write? Basically, Diva's life just this, right like this. No, I'm just kidding. More of this. I'm gonna put it like this. Me too. All that. For the moment, I'm not gonna all that. So yes, I have. These are my global variables. These. I'm just gonna declaring global variables. Variables. So dim object. No, I'm just the main first. No, it's a global variable. And what am I doing? So dim object as a string because of the data type string. So dim top, I'm gonna call it index as integer. So object is the data we are adding. Okay, this is this. Uh, so we have after that we have index. Index is our pointer to top to basically top. So it's a pointer. We have a pointer top. Top is equal to 1, top is equal to 0, top is equal to 2, and stuff like that. So basically, if I have, for example, this is a column and row, one column and four rows. So basically, this is top is equal to 4. Here is top is equal to 3, top is equal to 2, and top is equal to 1. Or top is equal to, if you start it with 0, it will be 3. This will be 3 top. Top is equal to 3. Basically, we have, wait a second. But then why do we need I? Oh, to display our array. We have I to display our array. Where is it? Yes. Ça veut dire, ça veut dire, uh, how do we use it as top? Index is our pointer. No, I'm gonna put it as top on myself. I'm gonna use index. I want to use index too. Okay, I'm just gonna use top. Top is, yeah, wait. Top. What is happening? Top is our pointer. Pointer which points to the current data item in data item in item. Oh my god! The item in the array array. Then we have so basically it just becomes top, and then we have dim. It's not dim. So so we have our array. So array with identifier name array flower stack in flower stack we have it 5. No, it's 5. So if you're starting with 0, then we have 4 as integer. No, as a string, because we're holding strings, data type or data type. Dim I. So basically we have I will be used to display the array, the data in the in flower stack. Okay, so this is that, and then we have dim count as the I don't know why we have dim I as integer. Then I don't know why we have count. Wait a second. We control F. Control F. Count. Oh, sebenarnya ako. Define item. Basically, define item. Count will be used to find items in for searching. Control F. Not here. Control F. Count. Find item. So searching will be used to find item slash search function. Search function. The procedure. So dim count as integer, and then we have sub main and sub. Then we have this. So we have okay, okay. Double no, don't. Control S. Control settings. So we are indent. If I want to do it at 4, will change. Now it changes. So I fucked up. Well, this is a whole fucking up. No, it's changed. Changed. Yes, it's changed. Nice. I'm excited. So it's good. It's good. Good. Gucci boys. Gucci. It's actually nice to be able to see everything big. Like I like to work like this. It's actually nice to be able to focus on one thing and see the text in bold. I have Ubuntu as my main, just Ubuntu as my main font for my VS Code. So we have submain. So we have to create an empty stack. So yeah, procedure, procedure, procedure with identifier name, create empty stack. Then we have create empty stack, control Z. Then we have console dot write line. So we have inserting items into in the stack. So console dot write line. Oh, but this is a fault. Yes. Wait a second. Wait. Can you do that? Console online online Visual Basic compiler. I forgot if you can do that. Let me just check. So we have console.write line and then console.write line. right line. Then we have console dot right line. Hello, hello. We press F9 to run it. We are officially compiling. Okay, but what happens if I do this? Okay, it does not change. But I like to put this here because I like it. That's the only reason I like it. Look, I've not. Now I need. Now you have to see me change this. Oh my! What kind of word editor is that? I mean, markdown thing. It doesn't even write the next quote end quote for me. It just opens it, and I have to end the quote. Like for example, here I can just like here. It opens the quote and then it ends the quote immediately. Control S, Control Lavin. Who is Lavin? What is this? It's never gonna find Lavin. It will find Lavin though. Lavin. What am I doing, bro? I need to resend this to someone. Is found. Is found at. Is found at. Bruh. Nice, nice, nice. I think we can actually start. Yeah, inserting items into a stack, and then we have inserting items into. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Small technical difficulties. happens sometimes. Oh, wait. Oh, announce. Oh my god, bro. I was saying like, what? How does this work? I need to create an insert item stack. So what the heck? Okay, I need to input rose and bougainvillea. I don't know how rose and bougainvillea. What? What? Bougainvillea. No, 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 no. Console dot write line. So we have this, then we have control Z, control dot write line. We have deleting, deleting an item in stack, 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 in the stack, in stack, just in. It's a inst console dot write line. That was pretty fast. So procedure. So yeah, telling the user that we are inserting items in the stack, in stack. I'm gonna put this in caps. Yes. And then we have we're inserting items to stack. So then we have telling the user that we are deleting slash removing item one. I think one item in stack. Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. I also want to talk about that. Mercedes. Mercedes. The side pods of the Mercedes W14 has grown again instead of being two small slits. I hope it does bring us some performance, but for the moment, I'm just. I hope that Ferrari can give Red Bull a run for its money, because for the moment Mercedes is not in the fight, and we have to accept that. But if Ferrari can beat Red Bull this year, I will be really happy. I don't want Red Bull to win. I have something against Red Bull. Even I don't have something against Red Bull, but I just don't want Red Bull to win. Yes. Yes. So you we have to add shooting star, shooting star, star. Then we have to uh find an item. Searching. I'm not gonna tell. I'm not gonna write find an item. I'm just gonna write searching for an item and just search. You search. If search. You search for. I mean, you search for thing, then you find. Okay, bruh. What is this code? What is this? You search for thing, then you find it. You don't find it without searching it. I think. I think. Yes. I think. I think yes. Console. That's right line. Okay. So console. That's right line. Uh, searching for an thing for an item. Stack. Stack. Console. That's right line. This okay. So we have find item. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We have not written our. Wait, what? What is my? What? Wait, what? It's not letting me tab. What happened? Wait, what? W. Control B. What happened? Wait, what? Can't tab. Now I'm scared. Okay, the tab is working. The tab is definitely working. Why is Mr. Tab not working? And wait, I'm just gonna restart this. Restart this. Wait, what just happened? Is my tab here working? Hello. Tab here is working. Oh, tab. Oh, tab is working. I don't know why it's not working there. Code. What is happening? Is my tab working? Now it's working. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, my tab is now working. So basically, you have to tell the user. So inserting items into stock. Items. Items in stack. And then we have to uh telling telling the no, we don't have to search. We do not have to search, so we don't have to do this because we have added the following item. We have deleted one item, and we have added the uh this. I'm gonna before I like put all the comments and put all the console just right line what is happening. I'm gonna okay, wait a second. Display. I'm gonna run it before I put all the things. Okay. So displaying array. So basically we have 4 I is equal to 0 to 4 to 4 console dot right line not this no, so we have basically flower stack, and then we have I here for fuck you. Then we have this is good, this is good. I hate the way the teams handle the thing. So it highlights an outside box. Why does it need to highlight it as an outside box? Can't it just not highlight the thing with another color? Bruh. Okay, if I knew how to make good teams, but I don't. I mean I could if I learned it, but I don't learn. This is good, good. Oh, for I stop. Basically like what's the top? Top is oh, so it does not display all the values. Okay, basically if top is equal to 2 here, will so for example if there is a so 1 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 and the top is equal to 2 here, so it basically will only output this, it will not output this will also output no thing. If I can explain my with key we have this, and then we can start our sub. Yeah, so we have console dot no, creating procedure, which is basically gonna return us one value, several values, or none at all. A function can only return a value or does not return a value, but a procedure can return one value, return several values at the same time, and also does not return a value. I think it's basically my excuse for not knowing things. I think because basically this. Okay, so sub create empty stack. Wait. Have this one, two, good, good. Sub create empty stack. So we have top is equal to zero at the beginning, and then we have n our sub. So we have now I need to look. I need to really look. What is parameter item? What can we just use as wait, parameter search? Basically, you're telling me that if we're inserting in a stack, we have to pass the item here. Yes, we are passing this item, para item, which is one of these items, into here. Then we insert this item. But why did the code here? Why at the time I wrote para item? Should it have been item, or in this case object? Wait, what? Because I don't think it will work right now. Because look, para item inserted into stack. Wait a second. Now I'm confused. Testing, test. So then let me open this. Can I not change it to node? It. So basically, we just close this, and then we just close this. I don't understand one thing. Why did it work? If I put item here, will it work? If I put item, just put item here. If I put item, just like item, 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 item. Oh, I want to see something. Search item. If I want to just put item, and I just want to put item, and then I just want to put item, and it worked. For the moment, it worked. Yes, it worked. But why did para item work? To be honest, I don't know. I'm just gonna change it there. Okay, I'm just gonna change it there. Bruh. So basically, para para val. I'm just gonna call it item. So I have this, which I have to item, and then I have item gain, item C. Okay. Para item by val. You're passing it into the code. Just gonna go for item here, and count. So wait a minute. I'm just gonna go go do something. Then I come back.
One of the most important pieces of having a beautiful desktop is having a beautiful color scheme. I'm talking about the color scheme we use. So for the terminal, I typically use Alacrity. So I'm going to open up my Alacrity terminal. And for my text editor, I typically use Doom Emacs. So I will open up Doom Emacs and I will just open up a document so you guys can see as the colors change. And in the Alacrity terminal, I'm just going to run an ls. And that color scheme. And you can they're kind of tough on my eyes, but color scheme called Dracula, and Doom Emacs has Dracula built into it. If you One of the most important pieces of having a beautiful desktop is having a beautiful color scheme. I'm talking about the color scheme for your terminal emulators and your text editors. Today, I want to share with you my top 9 color schemes for your terminal emulators and your text editors. So let me switch over to my desktop, and for this example today, I'm going to open up a terminal emulator and a text because it's very similar to what you're looking at with this.
It's calling me like the rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow. The rainbow.